Let's take a look at how you can view multiple representations of data using the TI-Nspire. So I've already entered some data into the list and spreadsheet page, where I've entered the grades for a test that was just given, and then the gender of the individual who took that test. So I want to see what this looks like as a distribution of data. So I'm going to insert a new page on the data and statistics, and I'm going to plot the grades first. So notice I now have a distribution of what the grades look like for this particular test. But in order to analyze it a little better, I want to change the view so that it's a box plot, so that now I can see the median grade and then to see where the quartiles are for this set of data. Well, because I recorded the male-female breakout for this test, let's change this so that instead of I'm looking at the whole class, I want to see the differences in grades between the males and females of the people that took this test. So notice I can see the difference in the median grade for the females versus the median grade for the males and where that lies on this range of grades. And if I wanted to make it a little nicer, I could change the color of these graphs just so that it looks a little nicer on the page. How these box plots are affected when I move certain data points in these sets of data. So what would happen to the median score as different points are moved? So give it a try. You can try the TI-Nspire for free by downloading the TI-Nspire software from our website, education.ti.com.